Did somebody have giggle soup for lunch? Hey, Max. I am Speed. I am Speed. I am Speed. I am Speed. Hey, Max. I am Speed. Hey, Max. I am Speed. Hey, Max. I am Speed. 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 Ooh! What's Sully say? Kind of. He says, "Roar!" Can you say what Sully says? What does Sully say? Yeah! What does Lightning McQueen say? What's he say? What's Lightning say? What's Lightning McQueen say? Does he say ka-chow? Does he say, I am Speed? That's really funny to you, isn't it? Knock, knock. Say, who's there? You. You who? Yoo-hoo! Not funny? Is this funny? I am Speed. Okay, well, I think we've proven something tonight. What does Santa Claus say? What's Santa say? No, he says, ho, ho, ho. What does Sully say? Really? Who says, I am Speed? Who says that? Who is this right here? Who's on the cup? Who is that? Who is that? Let's tell everybody. Who is that? What's his name? No. Vroom. Say Lightning McQueen. Can you say Mama? Can you say ball? Ball? You can say ball. You said ball at Walgreens today. Can you say apple? Oh, what are you doing? Get your finger off there. Aww. You put your finger on your hand. Go. All right, well, now you're all foggy and hazy. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Hey, one last thought. I am Speed. Okay, bye.